long time no see. Well, long time no see to me. You guys have seen me, but I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks, I think. Maybe more, like since I got back from Italy or from France. I'm very jumbled here. Okay, so we're back to the NYC vlogs. I'm fully moved into my apartment. I'm gonna do an apartment tour soon for you guys. It's coming together very cute. I'm excited for you guys to see. So Drew is here. Very exciting news. He's moving to the city finally after like 2 years almost of long distance. He's moving. So he's out looking for apartments right now, and I just got ready because we're going to dinner afterwards. I'm gonna go see one with him that's near my area, but then we're gonna go to dinner afterwards. So I want to show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing this Princess Polly like crop top. My favorite ever Zara jean short. Shoes, we got Sabo skirt sandals, and then this. All right, resuming, we've got this green Prada bag, my favorite color. Something also super exciting is I'm finally uploading one of my Europe vlogs. It's been taking me forever because I downloaded Final Cut Pro and I had to like do all this crap with like updating my whole computer, so it was just a lot of drama, and then I didn't know how to use Final Cut Pro because I've been using iMovie up until now. But anyways, I'm finally uploading it and I'm super excited because I feel bad that I got back like 3 weeks ago, or at least 2 weeks ago, I don't know, and I haven't uploaded anything. End of rant. I'll see you guys when we get to dinner. We found Drew. We made it to dinner and it's absolutely pouring rain, like very, very, very loud thunder and lightning. But we had Brussels before, they were so good. Pizza. Drew over there has meatballs. We were supposed to come at 7:30, but we ended up coming early and it was very worth it because we would have gotten stuck in the rain. Okay, bye. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. It's Wednesday? Yeah. Damn. I'm lost on the days since we didn't get back to the city till Monday. Okay, so I just made a nice little iced coffee and I did Pilates this morning. We still have Drew here. Hello. Today, I kind of have a busy day. Me and Bridget are gonna shoot some outfits, so I just picked them out right now. Shoes, so we're gonna do that. I'm a little bit scared because we're in like a heat wave, so it's gonna be like 90, I think like 93 today. It's really hot, even hotter tomorrow. Look at my cute new slippers. These are my outfits. I'm gonna go meet up with Bridget and we are gonna take some pictures. We've been really slacking on shooting lately. Special guest. Hey. I'm vlogging this week, Bridget.
I have to watch your vlog you just uploaded.
Yes. We're here. We just did one outfit. It's so freaking hot out, like actually dripping. So don't know what we're gonna do about going back down there.
We're gonna be quick.
We're gonna try to be as quick as possible. Here's my outfit. This lemony dress from Princess Polly. Yellow shoes. I bought flowers to put in this tote bag. I need to put my hair down, but it's too hot right now. And then Bridget's wearing Princess Polly also.
Steve Madden.
It's a mess in here. Don't look. It's for the apartment tour reveal. Don't look.
Don't look.
So I just went and saw 4 apartments for Drew. I'm so nice. He owes me $100. Like, I don't know what he owes me, but it's something. It's so hot out today. It's like 100 degrees. I was already dying when we were out with Bridget, and now it's even worse. I feel like, I don't know, but I haven't felt this hot in a long time. And tomorrow and the next day are also going to be 100 degrees. So I'm really scared, and I have plans both days. I wish I could just like sit here and like only look at the outdoors from my window. But no. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up working and clean my room. A lot of packages to open also. If you guys want to see an unboxing, maybe I'll show you what I got. I think I'll do that. Okay, unboxing. I'm sorry if you see me and I'm sweaty. Just don't look at me. Okay, first up, I already opened this, but Parade sent me a package. They have, honestly, the best bras and underwear. If you need them, I have a code, KLEAMXO. These bralettes, I now have them in like actually every single color. They're my favorite bralettes. I will link them down below, and don't forget to use my code if you end up shopping there. I think you get like 20% off. Next, we got Amazon. Guys, I honestly had more packages today, but I always forget to fill my packages. I'm gonna start doing that in my vlog. I got a phone stand tripod thing. I like that it's like a movable one and I can clip it to my counter. Nobody cares about that. This is exciting. Aloe yoga. I got a really cute set. Oh my god. This color. Let me open it. Oh my god. Okay, cute. I got a sports bra and biker shorts. This color is literally stunning. So, since I moved, there's New York Pilates right next door and I signed up for a monthly membership, and to motivate myself to go, I have bought in a million workout clothes. So I have a lot of cute new sets. And then lastly, we have H&M. I also had like 2 more packages this morning, but I forgot. It's okay. So let's start with this. It's like a belt. I was shopping for a shirt and the model was wearing this like belt. It's like, I don't know. And I thought it looked really cute on her. So I wanted one and it seems like it's cute too. Amazing. I got a pair of pajama shorts, and a cute cardigan. It has like lace trim. Just like a little crop top. I thought it was cute. Okay, and then I got this like biker shorts. They seem like they might be a little long. I don't know, we'll see when I try it on. And like cami. I don't think this is for sleeping. I think it's for like going out. I thought it would be cute with like a white open button up. And then I bought flared leggings. Cute. And I think they have like a slit on the bottom, which is nice. I like this like charcoal gray color. And then I am pre-planning for fall because it's just around the corner. This like sweater vest and shorts combo. It was so freaking cute on the model and she had this like tucked in. I thought this would be cute in the coming months, even though I was literally just complaining that it's 100 degrees in New York. But it will get cold soon enough and I hate being unprepared because I feel like I always am. So I got this. And that's it. I will link all this stuff in the description for you guys. Also, I will remember to open my packages on camera for the rest of this vlog. Somebody hold me to it. Probably you won't see me until tomorrow because I'm gonna just order food and hang out with Drew and not leave because it's too hot to leave. Peace. Hey vlog! Hey vlog! Oh yeah. It's the next day. Yeah. We're with all the girls. We're going to dinner tonight. We just went to Van Leeuwen. They had some sort of event. So we tried their new ice cream that had like rum mixed into it. So we're all wasted. Like literally, take me home. And now we're going to dinner.
Wait, move.
But not Danielle. She's leaving us.
Lauren, you're good too.
Photo break. Photo break.
No, let's
Oh, same.
Wait, stand there.
My mom's like kind of good.
My mom's not good. Right.
Behind the scenes. Look at that golden hour on that building.
I know, it's very pretty. Okay, go.
Hi, Grace Caroline.
Hello.
I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Look at this bag. Look at this bag.
Oh my
and
god,
look at these
wait,
boobs.
look at her.
Beautiful.
So cute.
Hi, Danielle.
Hi.
Look at this bag. I'm obsessed.
Yours is cooler.
No, it's not. It's my mom's.
Thank you. My hair is so stringy that like I have to like getting ready for the photos.
Wait, this is really good. Did you try it?
Hi vloggy. Drew's really stressed in the corner about apartments. There's some commotion happening. Drama. We're about to leave for dinner. I'm having a lover boy. Drew's having a beer. Oh no, I'm gonna get copyrighted for this music. Turn it down! Anywho. We're going to dinner. We're going to Mexican food. It's Friday. We've had a long day. Here's my outfit, in case anyone is wondering. This is from Shop Unruly. H&M, Converse, not Converse. They're from Nasty Gal, but they look like Converse. And then I'm bringing this little pouch that I got on Amazon. Really hot, so I hope they don't put us outside. But I've been to this place on the vlogs before with Danielle and Bridget, in case you remember. If not, I will link the video here for you guys to watch. But they have really good spicy margaritas, so I'm excited to have one. And then I think we're meeting up with Bridget and her boyfriend afterwards. Update, we're outside, but it's okay. We got some chips and salsas, and we have some more coming. I'll show you guys. Taco night. Hi vloggy. Hey. I have not vlogged in a few days.
I was gonna say, when was the last time you vlog. Did you vlog this weekend?
I vlogged Friday night when we were at dinner, but yesterday was not that eventful, so you guys didn't need to know anyway.
Yeah.
But right now,
we're having a productive Sunday today.
yeah, we're headed to an event right now at the Allure store
In Soho.
in Soho, and we're a little bit late, but it's okay.
Just 45 minutes late.
Lauren's meeting us there too, and then we're gonna just have a day. I want to do some shopping because there's this cute little store that I want to go to that has cute home stuff.
It's called a Bode, right?
I thought it was just a Bode, but who knows?
Oh.
Okay, we're almost at the event, so I'll show you when we get there. Guys, it's Monday now. We had a fun day yesterday. We did a lot of shopping, and then I came home, and me and Drew, I don't know where he is, watched the finale of White Lotus, which was so good. And then now you won't even believe what I'm doing. I am Bob the Buildering this shelf. Pretty scary. It's supposed to end up like this. This probably will take me a few hours, but I'll get back to you once I'm done. Update, I did it. It took me so long. Honestly, not as long as I figured, but here she is, feeling super proud. And then we're using it just like in the winter. We'll put our winter coats in here, and then just like storage for random crap that we don't want to be showing elsewhere in the apartment. It's the end of the workday, and I am going to dinner later on with my home friend. We're having like a fun night. We rented a room at this restaurant. It's gonna be very extra. Okay, I'm ready for dinner. Here's my outfit. This is from Zara. It's like detached. Also Zara. Gucci slides, and this bag is Stowed, my favorite one that I own currently. Okay, I'm gonna walk to dinner now. We're with the girls.
No, they just forgot the sauce for you. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine, that's fine.
So we
Yeah.
checked 100%.
Good morning, guys. It's now Tuesday. It's been a weird kind of vlog. I feel like it started midweek, and I'm ending midweek, but I want to show you guys. I just did some errands. I went to Trader Joe's. That was really my only errand. I have more to do later on, but I went to Trader Joe's, and I want to show you guys a little haul of what I got. I also have a few packages I want to open with you guys. Haul! Okay, to start off, we got some organic blackberries, zucchini, croutons. These annoy me because Trader Joe's needs to get better croutons. These ones are like too large. Pasta, salad ingredients, syrup for my coffee. I like to put a little bit in my iced coffee. 8 million Cliff Bars. Don't ask. Bag number 2, we've got salad, asparagus, ravioli. This one seemed good. Sweet corn, burrata, and basil. Cucumbers. I like the mini ones. This chicken, if you don't already know, is the best chicken, and you don't have to cook it, from Trader Joe's, and it comes with a lot, and the flavor is actually really good. Then we got some yogurt, pizza dough, and last but not least, Brussels. That's the end of the groceries. BRB, I'm gonna put this away, and then I'll show you what's in my packages. Groceries are away. Do package time at Amazon. So this is like a little crop top. If you see up close, it has like the diagonal buttoning. Some of the buttons are unbuttoned, but I don't know. I saw this and I thought it was really cute. It's also a dupe of something, but I don't know what the original brand is. I got 2 workout sets. This one looks like it's gonna be really cute. This one's like nude biker short. And the top, oh, I like this top because it was like sports bra but with the cute V. Love. Then this one, this is the prettiest color ever. This one's just like a regular sports bra but it's like square neck. And then also biker short. I keep getting biker shorts. Do people wear biker shorts in the winter like to work out? And then this next one, I picked up some stuff from Forever 21. They like low-key have a really good selection right now. Cute, a little pajama dress. Up close, I'll show you. It's like light pink ribbed with this cute lace in the bow. Okay, then I got another workout set. These appear that they're gonna be super high-waisted. Definitely gonna need to try these on. And then the top just matches with it. It looks cute. Oh yeah, it says high rise, so guess that makes sense. Okay, cute. This is like similar to the first top I showed from Amazon. You definitely can't see it at all, but the buttons like go across like this. I feel like that's a cute style these days. Pajamas, little pajama set. And one more thing, my camera's dying. Hopefully it doesn't die while I'm in the middle of this. Oh, I forgot about this. This is really dramatic. It's like a romper in here with like a long duster cardigan. It seems that it's attached. I thought this would be really cute, like transition into fall. Anywho, my camera's gonna die any second, so I'm gonna charge it, and then I have to like film some TikToks. I have a few other errands that I'm gonna do that I will take you guys along with later in the day. Okay, I'm back from my errands, and this is what I got. These cute little candlesticks and these holders. This one's like a little crystal heart, and this one's just like ribbed. Like, so cute. And I also ordered a vase that I want to replace that mimosa candle with. I'm obsessed with my cute little nightstand. And these are from Shop Abode. If you guys want to go there, it's a really cute shop in Soho. I just made a pizza, which I'll show you guys. Also, the view is on fleek. You can't really tell, but the sky looks pretty right now. I have a pizza cooking in there. In case anyone was wondering, I just wanted to tell you. Thanks for watching the vlog. I'm gonna end it here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.